Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you do not miss any new videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by once again today. Today I'm recreating a recipe by Sweet Ajele. It is called Tatale. To be honest, I have never prepared this in my entire life, so this is also going to be an experience for me. Also, at the end of this video, rate me and let's see how I did. For our tatale, we'll be using overripe plantains, whole black peppers, salt, cinnamon, onion, kpakposhito, ginger, some palm oil, flour, carrot, and green bell pepper. So I'll be doing everything in my asanka. Here you can see that I'm crushing my whole black peppers. If you have one of those manual spice grinders, you can use that. Once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and add in my kpakposhito, my onion and ginger, and grind till the mixture is very smooth. So I love kpakposhito, but of course you can use any hot pepper of your choice. Once I'm done grinding, I'll scoop out some of the mixture from my earthenware bowl because I don't want it to be too spicy as I am cooking for my toddler. So I can use the rest of the spice for any future recipes I decide to make. I'll be keeping it in the freezer. Now I'll go ahead and add in my cinnamon and salt and grind that also in properly. At this point, I'll go ahead and add in my peeled overripe plantains. So like I mentioned earlier, this is the first time I'm making this recipe, and this will be the first time my toddler will be tasting it. So let's see how it goes. Once all my plantains have gone in, the next thing to add will be my flour. So I'll be mixing that in also in 2 bits. In a bit to hide some vegetables in our tatale, I'm adding some grated carrots and green bell pepper. Once everything is mixed up properly, we'll go ahead and fry. When I added the palm oil, I realized it was a lot, so I had to reduce the quantity, and I went ahead to fry my tatale. So following Sweet Ajele's tutorials, I went ahead to flatten my tatale and give it a nice rounded shape. When I flipped it, Charlie, I was on point, KK. That's when my vim came back. So I decided to fry a second one for all of us to see. So I didn't show you in the first one, but before you use your ladle in flattening the tatale, you must wet the bottom. And also make sure to fry on medium-low heat so you have a perfect tatale. You don't want the inside to be uncooked whilst the outside is cooked. So my tatale is ready now. I was proud of myself, And then I decided to combine it with my bean stew and then serve my toddler. Do you know what it is?
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, it is tatale.
Okay.
But can you try it?
No, I don't want.
This is how he sucked me into a brainstorming session. And then at last, I pulled up the magic tatale sandwich. Or is it even a burger? And no, he gulped it down in a matter of minutes. Mommy Sabril. Anyway, do try this recipe for your little one and let me know how it goes. And also a big thank you to Sweet Ajele for sharing this recipe on her channel. I'll leave all details in the description box. So until I see you again in another episode, keep blooming.